Hey guys, and welcome back to Essential Wholesale and Labs. Today on Making Skincare, we're not actually going to be making any skincare. We are going to be talking about some of our stock products. These are bases that we sell, and we're going to get into a few more creative and unique ways that you guys can both use and market these products. All of these products will be in the description box below, so if you're interested in purchasing them or you want to maybe try a sample after watching this video, you can find the links down there. So first off, we're going to go ahead and get started with our Vital Skin Face and Body Cleanser. So as you can see, this product's really, really dark, almost black. Well, it pretty much is black, and that's because it contains activated charcoal powder. Now, activated charcoal is a great ingredient. It makes this wash a fantastic face and body wash, but a less obvious use for this product is an after swim shampoo for the hair. So for those swimmers, gym goers, people who love being in the pool during the summer, people whose hair has been exposed to chlorine for even a short period of time, this could make a really, really, really great after swim hair shampoo to help sort of cleanse the hair after it's been exposed to chlorine. So that's our Vital Skin Face and Body Cleanser, and again, really, really, really works well as an after swim shampoo. So moving on, we have our natural micellar water. Now, micellar waters are often used just as a quick cleanse for the face. We have this in multiple scents. Right here, I just have our natural micellar water, but I use this product as a makeup remover. Now, it's not as strong as, you know, the makeup remover wipes that you may be used to, and it certainly isn't going to cleanse and remove heavy, full glam makeup. But if you're a light makeup wearer or your customers are light makeup wearers, we're talking, you know, chapstick, maybe some lip gloss, some eyeliner, and mascara, using a cotton pad and just a little bit of micellar water is a great, great way to remove makeup gently and effectively. And again, I like it unscented. So now we move on to some really, really great products that are not meant for hair, but can be used for hair. So these are two of our toners. Right here we have our vitamin C facial toner and our rose water toner. Now these are just two of my favorite toners. You can use any toner for these applications. So when we cleanse our skin, we're often adding a lot of alkaline to it. It's raising the pH above 7. So after you cleanse your skin, you're probably used to feeling that kind of dry, tight feeling. And that's because a lot of cleansers strip our skin of the natural acids that it needs. And that's why we have toners in our skincare regimen. After we cleanse, we use a toner, which are more acidic. It's going to bring that pH level down back below 7. We tend to keep ours in a good range between 4.5 and 5.5, which is ideal for skin. But it's actually also really ideal for your hair. And a lot like facial cleansers dry and sort of reduce or raise pH, shampoos do the same thing. So if you're not intentionally buying a shampoo that's been intentionally pH balanced, and which is kind of hard to do, it's hard to find, shampoos just kind of naturally, due to their ingredients, are going to raise the pH. So by go ahead and using a toner, the same way you would after you cleanse your face, after you've cleansed your hair, I like to wash my hair, give it a good towel dry, and then I'll apply a little bit of toner to the hair just to help sort of restore some of that pH. This is even more valuable for people with curly hair, because if you have curly hair, your cuticles are actually more open than those people with straight hair, which prevents your natural acidic sebum from flowing through the cuticle. So for curly hair people, this is a really, really important step that you can add to your routine to really help keep that hair and scalp nicely balanced. So I like to use it after I've shampooed and just give my hair a towel dry. I'll use this, and it actually causes me to use less conditioner. I don't need as much conditioner because I've already pH balanced my hair, and I often only put conditioner on the ends of my hair. I know a lot of people do that because we just cleansed our scalp. We don't want to add all those oils back in. So again, applying the toner from root to end after you've towel dried, give it a quick comb, and then apply your conditioner. Leave on for 3 minutes and wash, and you will love the results. So those are some really fun ways that you can use just a normal facial toner as a hair product as well. So another cool way to use one of our body products in your hair is this is our walnut body polish, and this makes a fantastic pre-shampoo scalp exfoliator. So you're probably pretty familiar with exfoliating your face, exfoliating your body, just to help kind of remove dead skin cells. There's chemical and physical, which is what this is, physical exfoliators. I chose unscented for this. We do have a sort of a mint and blood orange, but because I'm talking about using this on the scalp in the shower, we probably don't want peppermint coming down our face. So I do recommend unscented for this kind of application. But if you haven't heard of exfoliating the scalp, it's the same as anything. You know, we get a lot of dead skin in there, and when we shampoo, it's cleansing, but it's certainly not always exfoliating. So I exfoliate my scalp once a month. I'm not going to lie, it's a time-consuming process, especially if you have really thick hair like I do, but it's very, very worth it if you want to really cleanse that scalp, get rid of any dead skin cells, really help prepare the scalp to receive conditioners, hair masks, other products. This is just a nice scrub. We use it all over our body. That's how it's marketed for the body. But you can use it once a month. You can go up to twice a month. I wouldn't recommend going any more than that with scalp exfoliating. It's definitely not something you need to do on a regular or weekly basis. And again, like I said, a little bit time consuming because all these little beads, they do take some time to wash back out of your hair, but it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. So if you're interested in giving that a try, go ahead and pick up a sample of this walnut polish on our website. Again, the link will be down below, and give it a try. Just put it in like you would a shampoo. Don't go too rough, just fingers under and kind of gently back and forth. And really help just exfoliate that scalp, and then take a thin comb and narrow and just comb out the little beads. It might take some time, or the walnut shell, they're not beads, time to get it out, but I promise that you will love the results. So another one of our products that I find really great, at least for my hair, that I love to use is one of our newer products, which is a beard conditioner. Now, this conditioner is absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's meant to condition the really coarse hairs, on a beard. But this actually makes an incredible hair mask. So I like to use my hair masks before I get in the shower. So I'll often dampen my hair with just lightly dampen. I'd say it's less damp than when I get into the shower and towel dry. I just dampen my hair lightly with my spray bottle that I have in my bathroom, and I apply the hair mask before I even get in the shower. I'll leave it on for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I don't think you'll probably not need any longer than that. And then go ahead and just get in the shower and shampoo and do your normal shower routine as usual. But this beard conditioner makes a fantastic hair mask. You can also use it as just a normal conditioner in the shower. And if you use it really, really lightly on damp hair after the shower, it also makes a great leave-in conditioner. So again, a lot of really great uses for this beard conditioner. And lastly, we have our Soothing Diaper Balm. Now, obviously, this was formulated as a soothing diaper balm. It works fantastic as a diaper balm. But I also use it on my elbows and knees. I just find that because it's not like a standard cream, even a really thick cream that sort of absorbs really quickly into the skin, this doesn't absorb really quickly into the skin. It's kind of meant to be there and last a little bit longer to help protect against chafing, keep it moisturized. It also smells really good. But recently, I had sort of a fun discovery about this product, is that it makes a pretty good eyeshadow primer. I had run out of eyeshadow primer, and I had this lying around in my bathroom, and I use a lot of makeup, and obviously we work here. I'm pretty familiar with the viscosity of things, and I thought to myself, this might work. So I gave it a test, and as you can see with this product, it's not like a normal cream. It's not just going to immediately absorb into my skin. You'll see as I kind of go around and around and around, it's still there, it's still working, and it's tacky, but it will dry down a little bit. So the same way that you'd use any eyeshadow primer, you can put this right on the eye after you've, moisturized and gotten yourself prepped for your makeup, and put it on just a little bit, give it a light rub, and then tap down. And I like to give it just about 1 minute or so before I actually apply the eyeshadow. I just want to let it dry a little bit. But after that, you can go in with your eyeshadow, and the application is fantastic. It works really well for shimmery eyeshadows, things with glitter. You're going to get a little bit more pigment out of them. They're going to stick. They're going to stay. It smells amazing, and it's very moisturizing. And then you can see with a little bit of elbow grease, that's moisturized right in. So those are all of these products, and I hope you guys had some good ideas of how to use them. I hope that it excited you as much as it does me. I think my favorites, if I recommend anything, it's using toners on your hair. Remembering that after you cleanse your hair, that pH needs to be restored all the same as your skin. So if you guys liked this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you miss no other videos in the future, and leave your comments below.